This lesson covers a 29-inch gas dryer, no heat, diagnosis and repair. Okay,
Yeah, he'll just keep barking.
we're
Trying to
going,
sit.
where are we going, downstairs?
Yep.
I hear the barky dog.
He's little, but he's quite noisy.
I'd say, judging by what I see, you need a dryer fix.
Yes, indeed.
What'd you say it's doing or not doing?
It's not heating up. It spins, it turns on, but it never warms up.
No heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, well, I hate to buy a new one if it's.
Now, at a casual glance, you see the lint trap on top, so you know immediately it's a Whirlpool 29-inch dryer, even though it says Maytag Centennial on it. So the first thing I do is turn it on, make sure the heat setting is a selection, and give it a go. Try the temperatures. I'm looking for the click click. Okay. I gotta pull it out and get behind it. At least a little bit. I'm going to block you in there if you want to sneak out. The Whirlpool 29-inch dryer is serviced from the rear and the front. The rear has the thermal fuses and the thermostats. And on the electric, it's also got the heating element. All the rest of it you have to do from the front. So I'm pulling off the vent and then want to take all the 1/4-inch screws off the back to get in there and check that thermal fuse, which is a likely prospect.
We moved it much since we got this.
Well, you wouldn't have any reason to, but I believe this repair is going to require getting in the back. Okay, now we can get in here and see what's going on. So the quick and dirty way to test the thermal fuse is to short it out like I did with my needle nose pliers. I saw the spark. I know that's the problem. Done deal. You can use a little jumper cord or you can ohm it, but I determined with the needle nose in about 2 seconds that it's bad. Of course, the question arises as to why did the thermal fuse blow? and it's usually clogged vent. So I need to tell the customer that.
Well, it needs to have a thermal safety replaced.
Okay.
It's $189 total charge.
Still
Including
probably cheaper
labor.
than buying a new one.
Oh, that dryer's worth $500.
Yeah.
You know, plus hookup.
Yeah.
No, I have the part with me if you want me to go ahead and do it.
That would
Okay.
be wonderful.
Let me go out and get it.
Thermal regulator.
Yeah.
Having a thermal fuse stock is normal, and I'm back in there putting that little thermal fuse in. 1/4 inch sheet metal screw, pop it out, pop it in, 10-minute job. Nothing much to it. There comes the new little fuse. We usually carry half a dozen of those on the truck. It's very fast moving. It's used on a lot of Whirlpool pans. Always keep in mind that the thermal fuse on the gas dryer just shuts off the heat. On an electric dryer, it shuts the whole dryer down. Difference in design, gas or electric. Don't be surprised if you have a little trouble putting the rear cover on a 29-inch dryer. It doesn't latch very well at the bottom. It's not such a hot design. Here it's critical you understand I'm looking for the click click. That click tells me that the gas valve is coming on. And then it takes another 20 seconds for the gas to fire off.
I'm going to check the airflow outside. What's the best way to do that, where it blows? Got to go round?
Yes.
Hmm?
All the way around. I'll show you.
Make sure there's no bird's nest or anything in there.
Saying we might get more snow.
Yeah, what's the story on that?
From what I've heard, it's around probably less than an inch, but
Around here you never know, right?
you never know.
There it is.
Seems like it's wrong.
Sounds like it. Yeah.
So that concludes the thermal fuse replacement and the vent checkout. So the job is complete.